Go ahead.
Go ahead, get him.
No, I got him. Go ahead.
Oh, okay.
Let's go, guys. Come on. The Fisher kids. Like what?
Or a lace jacket.
Well, you know what? You're not a donut. You're a cute little girl.
You wouldn't be able to swim quite as long as everyone else. You get tired fast.
Anyway, I don't want to fall.
No, well, I don't think it's going to happen.
Just hold it.
Actually, that makes sense. You are.
You have to show her what to do.
Basically, just hold on to it. Make sure you hold on to it tight. You don't want to drop it, okay? Just let it sit there a while. You might feel a fish bite. If it pulls, you jerk it up real quick and roll it up. All right? Just holler if you think you got one. It'll come out. How's that?
My Fisher girl.
Yes.
Not paying attention.
Got one, Tom? Oh.
Oh, pull it. Pull it. No, no, no. Wind it in.
Out, Joey.
I'm not sure.
You need help, Julie?
I think she needs a little help with the cranking part because there's something definitely on the line.
Which way do you roll?
You know, it's got that heavy weight in the bottom, so it bounces along, and they really feel like there's something there.
Oh, I thought it was.
How do you let it go back in?
You raise up that,
This?
yeah, just flip that the other way, and it'll
Okay.
drop. It's hard to tell because of that weight bounce, and it
Right.
feels like something's chewing on it or
True.
pulling to it.
Saw the.
Me too. I felt it too. I was
Did
like,
you?
I don't know how to pull this up.
It's okay. Worst thing that happens is it gets away, right?
You're a patient man. That's all I know. That's why I don't fish. I'm too hyper. Christina, do you want to take this one when he's done?
Sure.
How do you roll it in? Okay.
You gotta hold the line. So don't, because as soon as you pop this, it's a free line. And then you just swing it.
Uh-oh.
There it goes.
Uh-oh. You gotta talk to your friend.
When it stops, now you just go like that, now you're good.
His line's all tangled.
Yeah, these rods.
Lindsay.
What?
How you doing? Thank you so much. This is a big deal to our family.
You got him
I
undone, or?
don't think I'm gonna get this on
What?
I mean, it's got some big knot in it. I have to cut it off.
Well, just, you know, let's set up another one. Bud can do that, because
Yeah.
I saw something. Me too. I thought it tugged. No, it's not tugged, but I tugged it.
How's it going, Christy Boo?
What?
How's it going? What's up? Oreo. Oreos, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's hot. Well, what did you think? It's going to be hot today. I think it went under the boat. It's okay. There can be fish under the boat too.
I'm just coming.
You just gonna pull it in and see if there's anything there. Anything there? No. Try to stick it out further.
I think so.
Yeah, let the thing go first.
All right.
From last year, I had it frozen all year. That's how much I fish.
Sorry. Oh, aren't you gonna move?
It's fine,
No, I'm
Julie.
just gonna
It's all right,
stay where I
it's
sat.
fine, Tim.
Shoot, you want to go down the end where Timmy was?
I think she's gonna sit tight. I think old Tim's getting the hang of this.
I like my spot back over there.
All right, just watch the hooks, bud.
I'm gonna get Tom.
He's going there now. You should have thought of that earlier, honey. Okay.
Watch it. Don't.
Good.
They want you. Well, you know, they don't really want to be caught, but you got to be patient. You got to.
That's why Daddy's not a fisherman, because I don't have any patience.
That's why you're doing a lot of things.
What's that?
Well, you can listen on camera, you'll hear it.
Tim,
Got it again.
I want to be in there for a little.
Yeah, Tim, I get a
Wait till they're done
Dad,
work.
I've already called that spot. So she's gonna have to wait after me. So Tim, when you're done, I get that spot. Come on, fishies.
Gotta go to the water first, though.
What time are
Hey!
All right.
Yeah.
Very good.
There's the camera.
I got great job.
What's it, 18 inches?
It's your rod, though. You just have to hold it.
All right, come on, fish. Get in the frame. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Go. I got it. Got it. I got it. He's so cute.
Oh, look at that cute little fish. You got to get him off.
We got to get closer to Julie.
Can we keep it?
Hold it.
No, it's too little.
Hey, Steve.
What?
I think we're coming too close to the bridge.
Yeah, we're
Oh,
out.
yes, sir, we are.
All right.
I didn't even notice.
Lines in. Lines in, everybody. Right, Captain?
Put him down on the.
No, we're not going to throw it back.
Can I do it?
All right, hold
I
it.
do it.
You can touch him if you want.
Can I touch him?
Christina, just stay by your line.
Put him back in the
Here, can I
water.
do it? Back up.
What?
My feet. Hello, guys.
Did you catch that fish? Did you catch, I'm sorry. Did you catch that fish?
Mom did.
Okay.
Mommy, can I take Mom.
Hey, Captain.
Let me do it. Mommy, let me do it. Let me do it. I'm doing it.
Captain, I think we're going to
Good job
crash.
on him now. Don't hurt him.
I think we're going to crash, Captain.
Everybody in?
Everybody's
Lines
lines
up.
in.
Lines up.
Wait.
Lines
This
up.
is
Come on.
open.
Roll it up.
Let Julie do it.
Come on, crank it, Christy.
Roll it up.
Before it wiggles.
You're good.
Wait, this is open. This is open.
Honey,
Got
pull
it
your
fixed.
line up.
I did. This is open.
Okay.
Push it.
Just lean on it, okay? It's fine.
Lift up on the back.
Just flipping out over there, everybody.
We'll throw you a life jacket.
Yeah, it's a nice day for a swim.
You know how to swim?
Feel free
What are you
to.
complaining about?
You got a bathing suit on now.
I'd actually jump in. Where is it? Good job, Joel.
You alright, Tim? Got cool shades on?
Thirsty.
I don't know who's next. Who's next?
No, Tim, I'm in. I already told him. Tim.
Alright. Tim.
Hey, Christy, switch with me. Christy, switch with me.
You did a good job.
Awesome.
One thing about living down here, it's a relaxing life.
It really is. We, when we first married back in 88, we bought a house in South Boston.
It takes a while for it to happen.
He's from
It's not like it's one. It doesn't turn right away.
From Baltimore.
Never correct it. It goes too much the other way.
Then we Thank you. Good job. Awesome.
You go down the middle one now? Did you have any issues getting inside?
You want to do that one again, or you?
Where are we, Julie?
I don't know.
Where are we?
Phillips.
Phillips. There.
So where'd you got that check at? So, what's that? Exactly what time it is. Ooh, sounds good. I look like an idiot.
Pardon me?
I said I look like an idiot.
No, she said you're in.
No, I didn't. What's your problem?
You?
Stop.
You need to go.
Stop. Is everyone still alright?
Yes, thank you.
Dad, I gave Billy my other crabs. Like,
Outside of anything.
You have food in your hair.
I hope. Ew. Mom, it's all inside. Okay, so I'm gonna eat crabs. So what? No, you're not supposed to eat it in your hair.
Why don't you leave her alone?
No. Why don't you not tell us?
I'm sorry, but saying that would have to make you fly.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Julie.
You find out what that